Let's head into Dollarama today to see what they have in store in their outdoor decor section. Dollarama often does a really good job of their seasonal decor, and I love when they come out with their spring and summer selection. One of my favorite things this year is this mushroom garden decor. It's for $5 Canadian, and I love that it looks like handmade pottery. I could picture these in planters or in your garden. I love the earth tones, and they have a few different varieties. Let me know which is your favorite down in those comments below. Next is this twine in jar with some scissors attached for $4. Now, I think this would make a really great gift. You could do it for birthday, for Mother's Day, and I especially love the vintage look of these scissors. So not only would this make a great gift, but it would be just a practical item that you can use in your gardening and your planting this season. I was really surprised to stumble across these brand name Miracle Grow gloves. Now, I find that dollar stores often have gardening gloves, but these are actually a really good quality glove. They have the thick and the sturdy suede leather on the outside, so I think they'd actually hold up unlike some other dollar store gloves, and I feel like they're a great buy at only $5. Dollarama always has a really good selection of outdoor tablecloths. These ones this year are $4. We love to buy these for camping every year. They have some great colors this year, and I especially love all of their striped selections. Another thing Dollarama does really well are all of their outdoor dishware. I especially love the plates they have this year with a citrus theme. These lemon ones are only $2.75, and I really like the ones that are shaped like citrus, especially lemon. So if you're doing a Italian summer sort of themed outdoor dinner party, these would be fantastic. Also a great buy is this citronella candle in this large reeded container. I like that it looks like cement. I love the texture on it, and it's only $5. I think this looks a lot more expensive than it actually is. Next, Dollarama this year has a ton of different stick solar lights. This one in specific is $4.25. I'm really impressed with their huge selection this year of all of the different kinds, and I especially love these coastal looking lights here. They would be fantastic to line a driveway, a walkway, or you could do lots of fun DIYs with these. Now, in the decor and planter section, they have again these large plant pots for $4.25. I saw these last year. I picked up the black version. They also have this gray one. I think this is such a great deal for the size. I love the texture on these. I used them for a DIY where I glued two together and made a side table for my porch. In this same aisle, they also have these smaller plant pots for $4.25 as well. I really like the earth tones of these. There's a couple of different variations. I think they look like handmade pottery. They would look nice both outside and indoors as a decor accent as well. And then back to the solar light section, they have these LED lanterns for $5. I feel like these are a pretty good size for their price, and I'd recommend buying a pair, and you could place them on either side of your front door. So I would love for you to see which of these items I actually picked up, so make sure you're subscribed to my main channel, Cozy DIY Home. And on Saturday, I'm going to share exactly what I did with these. Let me know down in those comments which of these finds you liked best, and if you found any other amazing decor at Dollarama this month, I would love to know in those comments.